just being formed and have grown up in this party. First of all, we are disappointed, and it is very unfortunate that instead of using our energies to dislodge the regime that has become a problem for this country, there is a diversion caused by Honorable Nandala and Honorable Amriat. Today, my message should go specifically to those who think we shall play tribal cards and regional politics in Uganda. Because Mr. Museveni has for long been ensuring that political parties are diminished to start thinking as small institutions. He started by interrupting the growth of the doctrine of separation of powers and succeeded in that. Parliament has passed so many bills into law that intended to deal with democratization, most especially multi-party democracy. Secondly, he made sure he maintains reserved domains in Parliament. Today, as we speak, the army holds seats in Parliament, but it doesn't belong anywhere in the multi-party political dispensation. These are factors that have helped the dictatorship to get hold on power for long. The third thing we should think about is the killing of social cohesion within the parties through creating factionalism. We've seen factions in EDP, and Mr. Museveni reached a time and baptized them names, calling some good DP and some bad DP. The same went to UPC, and now it has come to the FDC. To our concern now is now the regionalization of political parties. You all remember that during the merger or the coming in existence of NUP, it had a national outlook. And when we come to the 2021 elections, the fact is NUP won so many seats beyond Uganda. But because Museveni is fighting to have political parties regionalized and lose a national outlook, he made sure that wherever NUP won seats, it is not declared. And after succeeding in making NUP look a Uganda thing, a central thing, is now fighting to have FD also look an eastern thing. In the campaign, the Honorable Nandala and Amriat are trying to raise. We've seen UPC diminished to the north, to the Langwa sub-region, and the DP has remained nowhere. I think he wanted it to be an actually thing, and Mao has failed to do that. So now his fight and desire is to have FDC diminished into the east, either Teso or Bugisu sub-region. As people from the east, we are saying we shall not play these tribal cards because we want a party that will engulf every problem of every Ugandan. And we face the dictatorship as a nation, not as a region. I want to request Honorable Amriat and Honorable Nandala that if you really love to have change in this country, you will not have change in Bugisu and Teso only. You will not have change starting from Busoka towards the east. And when the rest of Ugandans have abandoned you in this struggle,